Hi, Reese. You had a long nap. Yes, you did. You had a long nap. That was a good one. Hi. Hi, baby doll. Hi. You are just too precious. Yes, you are. You ready to play? You want to get out of there, don't you? You want to get out. You want to get out. You feel trapped.